I'm a dip master. My name's Mike. Today I'm not going to do a dip review or snus review. I'm going to do 2 full cans of snus. Mixed snus for sure. I'm going to do chainsaw snus, and Skruf. Extra strong. Skruf extra strong and chainsaw snus. Yeah. So I'll do that today. And I have bought a new game for my PS4. It's called Days Gone. It's with zombies and you have to find the clues, help your friend, run and motorbike. It's like a biker game with fighting and slashing and blood, and it's kind of hard game. I haven't completed the game yet. I think it's like 30 missions in the whole game, or over 30 missions. I put it on normal. It's between easy and normal and hard. So I put it on normal. A little challenge. So shoutouts goes out to Redneck TV and Grizzly Man 92. He doesn't make too much defeats anymore. He needs to. And Strictly Dip Experiments. That's it for shoutouts. Really, not too much shoutouts today. Mix those together. Mix those together today. That's what it sounds like when they attack me. Those creatures in Days Gone. Like this. They bite my neck and try to fight them off and shoot them with a shotgun, and it's a brutal game. It's an awesome game. Days Gone is only for PlayStation 4. It's made by Sound something. I can't remember. Sound. I can't remember the name of it. It was made by, or the creator by it. But it's strictly for PS4. Exclusive for PS4 is exclusive for PS4. That's for sure. Exclusive. Days Gone. Get a game on PS4 if you have one. It's better to dip than smoke a chunk. Better to dip than smoke a chunk. Yeah. It's better to dip than smoke a chunk. It's better to dip than smoke a chunk. Okay. I'll make this now. Mix it together. Mix it. No, it's not dip reviews, not snus reviews, just gonna mix the chainsaw snus all together on a whole 2 cans, full 2 cans. Hang on. Then I'm going to open this one Okay, now it's opened. First this one. Mm-hmm. 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 It's good. It's good. I'll tell you, I'll be back. I can't talk with my mouth full. Oh, yeah, that's it. Now, I'm just dip, I mean snus. I do dip. I'm more than dipper. That's no sir. Strong cola. Focus, 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 focus. Ah, yeah. Some strong cola now. Oh man, they get a little buzz though. Little buzz. Not so much as that. Snus I also dipped a whole can of. That will kick your ass. Siberia, extremely strong. That will kick your ass. Extremely strong. Will kick your ass. You'll be so. You'll be so. Oh, this. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, that's a strong color. But this one here, those two will actually kick your ass a little bit, not too much. Extremely strong. That Siberia, extremely strong. That will kick your ass. Trust me. The whole can of it. I don't know. I don't dip. I mean, a dip. I'm a dipper. I do dip. Sorry, I do dip. But I don't snooze that much. I snooze a lot, but I dip more. I dip more. I'm gonna drink a beer. Solar IPA. Solar IPA. Solar IPA. Solar IPA. It's easy to dip with the drink with the dip in. It's easy though. It's really easy. It's easy. Yeah. The extremely strong. That Siberia, extremely strong. That will kick your ass for sure. Extremely strong. The whole can of it, it will be like shaking. I did that on the video. Before Outlaw did it. Seriously, I did. Yes, last year, long time ago, before Outlaw did it, I did it. So, extremely strong. Cola strong. Sorry. Cola strong. Take two in. I'm not gonna do a whole can of this one because I don't have much. This is the last can of snus I have left. Peel the volume level off. Peel the volume level off. Peel it off. Damn it. It's the stickers on here. Said warning labels. Screw the warning label. Screw it. Sure. My videos is on. It's long tonight for sure. Okay. Yeah. So this one here is one of my favorites of snus. But my favorite snus will be General Extra Strong portions. I like loose snus too. I do loose snus on my video soon. Not soon, when I will had to get rid of this first. Have more in the refrigerator. I will get rid of this first. This is my last can of this strong cola. I do dip a lot, so that's why. I'm dip master, Mass Mike. I'm gonna. Bye, ciao, peace. Wait, 1 minute. Subscribe to my channel, please. Yeah, those people haven't subscribed to my channel. And plus, get yourself a magic.com or a roadie t-shirt from Nation or t-shirt from magic.com or can lids for dip can or outlaw merch shirts. I'm the dip master, Mass Mike. Bye, ciao, peace.